information in the details are written below. Maliit kasi pwede pala i-zoom eh. Napakaingat talaga.
You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, I'm going to explain about the AOS na ito ay lagi niyong tinatanong din sa akin. So but before we start, please don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video. Malay ninyo guys, ang susunod kong video ay para sa inyo. Ayan guys, so before I will start, i-explain ko muna sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang Affidavit of Support or AOS. So ito guys, nag-research muna si Inday para naman na mas may yung vlog natin, para may naman ay mas makalearn tayo ng mas maigi o kaya ma-explain ko ng maayos sa inyo. So ang Affidavit of Support guys is an Affidavit of Support, also called the Form 1864, is a document an individual signs to accept financial responsibility for the applicant who is coming to live in the United States. The person who signs the Affidavit of Support is also called the sponsor. Ayan guys, so ito guys, ang Affidavit of Support is yung parang niya is sa United States. Pero yung Turkey guys, meron na rin silang tinatawag na Affidavit of Support kasi they want to make sure guys na pagdating nyo dito ay may sasagot sa lahat ng inyong mga expenses. So, what is the purpose of the Affidavit of Support? The purpose of the affidavit is to assist consular officers in determining whether a visa applicant will have adequate means of financial support in the US and will not become a public charge. And so, ito guys ang purpose ng Affidavit of Support. So, i-change lang natin ang US. So, for example, means of financial support in Turkey and will not become a public charge. Ayan guys. So, I hope na naintindihan ninyo ang explanation na to guys. So, nang dahil guys ngayon guys talaga, marami akong narinig na na-deny sa Turkish visa, tourist visa with sponsor. Some of them, sabi nila sa akin, complete naman yung requirements nila. But of course guys, there is nothing na sinasabi nyong complete pag na-deny kayo. Meron talagang isang requirements dyan na hindi nyo na-forward. Usually, sinasabi nyo sa akin, wala kayong bank statement at wala kayong bank statement at saka wala kayong affidavit of support. Which is sometimes guys na meron sila talagang ginagawang way na hindi kayo lahat ay ma-approve. So, kasi ang dami-dami yung nag-a-apply ng Turkish visa. So, meron silang, for example, may nakita silang konting mali lang, konting isang requirements lang ang wala. So, yun na. Yun na talaga guys. Usually talaga guys ang narinig ko, sagot naman kasi ni sponsor lahat kahit wala akong statement o bank account, tapos kumpleto naman ang aking requirements. Paano naging kumpleto? Wala kang statement o bank account. Ayan guys, sa susunod kong i-explain sa inyo guys about naman sa statement o bank account. Ayan, sa susunod netong vlog. So, ito guys, ang AOS, finorward ito sa akin ng friend ko. So, dito guys, nakalagay, Affidavit of Support and Consent Invitation. So, nakalagay dito na nagsumpa yung guy, yung sponsor. For example, I, and the name of the guy, Turkish citizen of legal age and presently residing passport, then ilagay niya yung passport number niya ng lalaki and the contact number and to hereby depose and say. Then mayroon siyang number 1 that I am I am the girlfriend or father of son, dahil may anak sila guys, pero hindi pa sila kasal. So yan guys, father of son, relationship to person in the details are written below. And so the name ng kanyang girlfriend, ayan, and A, passport number ng girlfriend, contact number, details, email address, ayan. So, and then number C, meron silang mga ano dito guys, no, na ito ay fill upan nyo. So, and then number 2, that I assure and, ano ba to? Maliit kasi guys, hindi ko makikita. Assume that he or she will not come to Turkey with the intention of settling down here. Allah. Nagsumpa na pagdating dito sa Turkey, walang intention na mag-settle dito sa Turkey. My God, ano ba yan? And then number 3, that I guarantee that, that I guarantee that he or she will return to the Philippines before his or her visa expires. Ayan, ang sinumpaan ng lalaki. Ibalik niya sa Pilipinas ang kanyang girlfriend. Ano yun, iwanan na lang yung anak. And then, number 4, that I will be responsible for my guest accommodation and other expenses during his or her stay in Turkey. I further guarantee that my guest will abide by the laws of Turkey, particularly as related to immigration and employment. Ayan, so ibig sabihin, mag-follow kayo sa law dito sa Turkey na once na ikaw ay isang tourist visa, hindi kayo pwede mag-work dito, no? O kaya may residence permit kayo. So that I will shoulder, ito guys, number 5, that I will shoulder all the expenses related to my guests' stay during the duration of their stay in Turkey, including hospitalization and of my child or children related to his or her or their travel. And, ayan, so, number 5 na ito guys, ay pinapangako dito ni Guy, ni sponsor, na i-shoulder niya ang lahat ng expenses ng kanyang guest sa duration ng pagstay niya dito sa Turkey, including guys, ang hospitalization. It means, pag nagkasakit kayo, ay shoulder lahat ng inyong sponsor. And of my child or children related to. At saka pati yung anak niya. Ayan. So, and then number 6, that I understand that this affidavit of support is not an absolute guarantee and guarantee that my guest departure from the Philippines is subject to the regulations and assessment of the Philippine Bureau of Immigration in the regulations of the country that he or she is intending to visit. Ay, Diyos ko, sumasakit ang ulo ko. Sumasakit ang ulo ko, guys. At saka sumasakit yung mata ko. Ang liit. Ano ko lang din dito, guys, sa screen ko, guys, no? Ilagay ko dito sa screen ko para masabayan nyo ako sa pag-iintindi. Ayan, so, in witness, hereof, I have hereunto affixed my signature this 13th day of November 2023 in Istanbul, Turkey. So, kinuha ng kanyang sponsor guys, sa Istanbul, Turkey. Tapos, may nakalagay dito na, ano ba to? Affiant? Yung pangalan ng sponsor, guys, nakalagay dito. Maliit kasi, pwede pala i-zoom eh. Napakaingot talaga. Pwede pala i-zoom, guys. Tapos, pinaano ko talaga na masakit talaga mata ko sa pagbasa ng maliit. Diyos ko, Lord. Time check, guys. 2:21 a.m. in the morning here. At ang sobrang lamig, guys. Sobrang grabe talaga. At wala akong kasama dito. Kami lang ng mga anak ko. So, tulog na sila. So, may time ako na mag-vlog. So, inano ko na ang opportunity na makapagdakdak ako dito. Dahil pag nandito yung asawa ko ganitong oras, syempre tulog na kami at ayaw niyang maisturbo dahil maaga pa yung pasok niya. So, yan na guys. And then, may nakalagay dito na Philippine Consulate General Consular section, Istanbul, Turkey. Ayan, subscribed and sworn to before me this 6th day of November 2023 in Istanbul, Turkey. So, bali November niya kinuha, guys. Tapos, December nag-apply yung friend ko ng Turkish visa niya. So, tapos sa baba niya, guys, may perma. I-ano ko na lang, guys, no? Ano ko na lang sa screen. Ayan, para masabayan niyo ako. So, ito lang talaga, guys, ang time ko na makapag-vlog na masarap sana matulog. Kaso lang, kailangan ni Inday maghanap buhay. My God, kahit pa sentimo-sentimo lang, guys. Dahil, nag-iipon ako, guys, ng para sa pang-college. May paaralin akong college this opening. So, medyo masakit sa bulsa ang tuition niya. So, ayan na, guys, yung AOS, guys, for me lang, at para din dito sa friend ko, para wala nang may mahanap na butas yung Turkish Embassy sa inyo, kukunin nyo na lang, guys, ang AOS. Mayroon sila sa Ankara, mayroon consulate sa Philippine Consulate. Meron sila na ngayon sa Istanbul, guys. Ngayon ko lang alam na mayroon na palang consulate sa Istanbul. Tapos, tapos pwede rin ninyo kunin sa Philippine Embassy sa Ankara. Ayan. So, ayan, guys, ang about sa EOS. Thank you so much, guys, sa pagpanood, and see you sa next vlog ko. Tatalakayin natin ang statement of bank account na yan din ang lagi yung sinasabi sa akin. Ay, nako, yung masakit na naman ang ulo ko sa inyo. Ayan, guys, bye-bye na, and see you.